Hello everybody, I'm Delvin Lim from OrangeTee AAG. Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite projects in Ardmore area. And this project itself is called Ardmore 3, built by Wheelock Property, one of the most prestige developers in Singapore. This project itself consists of 84 units in total, and it has only 3 bedrooms, the range of 1744 to 1787 square feet. I always like to have a project have one size so that you do not have a mixed tenant. So basically everybody is who in this project itself. And one thing special about this project which I like so much about Ardmore 3 is this area. The back door leads straight to Orchard Hotel and the Claymore Connect, and even Forum and hotel like St. Regis. The whole stretch of condominium at Ardmore area, Ardmore 3 is the only one that have the back door exit that leads to convenience. All Ardmore 3s come with a private lift lobby, and the private lift lobby draws in a lot of lights. Let me show you this 3 bedroom, 1744 square feet. This unit itself comes with an open concept kitchens, and it blends together with the living and dining, which gives the openness of this whole unit. Another feature that I love about this unit is come with a good sized balcony to show you the whole Orchard skyline, and this balcony itself can allow you to put even an outdoor dining and an outdoor living sets.
The open concept kitchen is a standout feature of this unit. It's sleek, modern, and seamlessly integrated into the living and dining areas, making it perfect for entertaining guests or spending quality time with family. The master bedroom is a true retreat, complete with a luxurious ensuite bathroom. The 2 additional bedrooms are generously sized, perfect for family or guests, and they share a well-appointed common bathroom for added convenience. Every detail in this unit has been thoughtfully designed to cater to a luxurious lifestyle. Towards the back of the unit, you'll find a practical and thoughtfully designed space. There's a dedicated maid's room with its own toilet, offering privacy and convenience for living helpers. Right next to it is the laundry area, equipped with a washer and dry area, making household chores a breeze. Now let's take a look at the world-class facilities at Ardmore 3. Residents enjoy access to a stunning infinity pool, a fully equipped gym, and beautifully landscaped gardens. It's like having your own private resort in the heart of the city. Location is everything, and Ardmore 3 truly delivers. Situated in the coveted Ardmore Park area, you're just minutes away from Orchard Road, Singapore's premier shopping and dining destination. Top international schools, medical facilities, and entertainment options are all within easy reach. Living here means being at the center of it all, while enjoying the serenity of a private luxury residence.
If you're thinking to own these luxurious apartments at this prestige location, please do call me for a private viewing.